President Duterte personally administered the oath of office to his newly appointed Chief of the Philippine National Police, Major General Sinas. The oath-taking took place at Malacanang Palace, with DILG Secretary Eduardo Año as one of the witnesses. Duterte had said he would pardon Sinas if found guilty for holding a Mañanita birthday party in May, even if Metro Manila was then under strict quarantine status. Sinas is the 25th chief of the PNP. He replaced General Camilo Cascolan, who reached the mandatory retirement age of 56 last November 10.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.